Are you controlling money, or is money controlling you? This question might seem simple, but it defines your entire life. Every day, billions of people wake up, rush to work, and spend years chasing money. But at the end of the day, what do they really achieve? Most people dedicate their entire lives to making money, yet in reality, money becomes their master. Money is an excellent servant, but a terrible master. If you don't control it, it will control your life, your dreams, and even your identity. Today, we are going to reveal how money manipulates people in ways they don't even realize. How does this happen in real life? And most importantly, how can you break free? How do you know money is controlling you? Many people don't even notice that money has taken over their lives. Let's look at some warning signs. 1. You feel trapped in a job just for the money. You wake up every day and go to a job you don't enjoy, but you can't leave because you need the paycheck. This is how the system enslaves you. 2. Money-related stress dominates your thoughts. Bills, debts, rent. The constant anxiety over finances keeps you in a cycle of worry and fear. 3. You are obsessed with making more money. Money is important, but life isn't just about earning more. Many people forget to actually live while chasing wealth. The hidden trap of the money system. From childhood, society has conditioned you to live for money. Parents, schools, and the system teach you, study hard, get a good job, earn a stable salary. But no one teaches you what true financial freedom is. True freedom isn't just about earning money, it's about controlling it. Let's look at some of the biggest money traps people fall into. If I work harder, I'll be free. This is a lie. The more you work, the more you earn. But that doesn't mean you'll be free. Rich people are just smarter than me. Wealth isn't always about intelligence. Sometimes it's about opportunities and strategies. You can create your own opportunities. Making money is the ultimate goal. No. Money is just a tool. The real goal is to live a meaningful and fulfilling life. How to take back control over money. If you want to break free from financial control, you need a plan. Here are some essential steps. 1. Change your mindset about money. Money is a tool, not the goal. If you see it as the ultimate purpose, it will control you. If you see it as a resource, you will control it. 2. Create passive income streams. Don't just rely on your job. Invest, start a side business, and find ways to earn money even when you're not working. 3. Manage your expenses wisely. It's not about how much you earn, but how well you control your spending. Avoid unnecessary expenses and budget wisely. 4. Educate yourself about financial freedom. Successful people understand money. Read books, take courses, and learn how to grow your wealth intelligently. 5. Don't delay your dreams. Life isn't just about accumulating wealth. Chase your dreams, not just money. Final thoughts. Is money controlling you, or are you controlling money? Maybe this question will change your life. Maybe from today, you will start rethinking your relationship with money. Remember, being a slave to money is one of the greatest traps in life. If you don't learn to control your finances, you will spend your entire life working for the system. Starting today, take action. Don't chase money, chase your dreams. Real-life examples of how money controls. People to truly understand how money manipulates people, let's look at some real-life examples. Example 1, the corporate worker trapped in the rat race. John is a 35-year-old corporate employee. He wakes up at 6 a.m. every day, commutes for an hour, and works a stressful 9-to-5 job. His salary is decent, but it barely covers his mortgage, car payments, and other bills. John dreams of traveling the world, starting his own business, and spending more time with his family. But every time he thinks about quitting, fear stops him. What if I can't pay my bills? What if I fail? What if I end up broke? So he continues working, hoping for a raise, hoping for a better future. But every time he gets a raise, his expenses increase. He buys a bigger house, a nicer car, and takes on more debt. John is trapped. He thinks he's working for financial security, but in reality, money is controlling every aspect of his life. Lesson: if your financial decisions are driven by fear rather than purpose, money owns you. Example 2. The lottery winner who lost everything. Sarah won $10 million in the lottery. Overnight, she became rich beyond her wildest dreams. She bought luxury cars, threw extravagant parties, and traveled the world. But within 5 years, she was broke. How did this happen? Sarah never learned how to manage money. She thought wealth was about spending, not investing. When the money ran out, she had no income streams to sustain her lifestyle. She ended up in more debt than before, realizing too late that having money doesn't mean you control it. Lesson: money without financial education is a ticking time bomb. Example 3. The millionaire who lives like he's poor Mark earns millions every year, but you'd never guess it. He drives an old car, wears simple clothes, and lives in a modest house. Why? Because he understands the difference between looking rich and being rich. Mark invests most of his money in businesses, stocks, and real estate. Instead of spending on luxuries, he focuses on financial freedom. If he stopped working today, his passive income would still cover all his expenses for life. Lesson: true wealth isn't about spending, it's about control. Breaking free from money's control, a new way to live. So how do you escape the cycle of financial slavery? The answer isn't just making more money, it's making smarter decisions. Here's how. 1. Stop trading. Time for money. Most people earn money by trading time for a paycheck. But time is your most valuable asset. You can never get it back. Instead of working for money, start making money work for you. Start a side hustle. Invest in assets that generate passive income. Learn skills that increase your earning potential. 2. Shift from a consumer to an investor mindset. Rich people don't spend money the way most people do. While the average person buys things, cars, clothes, gadgets, the wealthy buy assets, stocks, real estate, businesses. Ask yourself before every purchase, will this make me richer or just make me look richer? 3. Get out of debt and stay out. Debt is the biggest way money controls people. Credit card payments, loans, and mortgages keep you tied to the system. Pay off high-interest debts. First, avoid buying things you can't afford. Build an emergency fund so you're not forced into debt during tough times. 4. Set a financial freedom goal. Decide exactly how much money you need to live comfortably without working. This is called your financial freedom number. Once you reach it, you can stop working for money and start living life on your own terms. The final wake-up call. Who is in control? Let's go back to the first question. Are you controlling money, or is money controlling you? If you're constantly stressed about bills, if you're stuck in a job you hate, if your financial decisions are based on fear, then money owns you. But it doesn't have to. The richest people aren't always the ones who make the most. They're the ones who control what they make. So, starting today, make a decision. Educate yourself about money. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Work toward financial freedom, not just financial survival. Because at the end of the day, money is just a tool. The real question is, are you using it, or is it